Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change banner on your LinkedIn profile. So this is fairly simple. First thing you have to do is go over to your profile. So click on your profile picture right here and click on this button which says View Profile. This will take you to your profile, and first thing you will notice, as myself, I don't have any banner picture right here. In order to add it, go over here to this photo icon and click on Add Cover Image, or you can also create a slideshow, but that is with premium, it is up to 5 images. So click on Add Cover Image and then choose one of these, which is powered by Lumni.ai, or you can upload custom photo. So you can showcase your personality, interest, work, or team moments. So let's say I want to choose this one and then press save. This is how you do it. This is how you change your banner. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.